on how to navigate your way around the student portal. So when you log in, you'll land on your dashboard, which looks like this. It'll be your profile photo. You can view your profile by clicking on the button. You can check out your academic reports, any student documents. Got all of your information here. Going back to the dashboard, you can see the list of teachers that teach you, any news that is uploaded by the school or your teacher. You've got some quick links to your calendar, gallery, homework, news, and reminders. And anything like a reminder or news or any achievements that you get would be displayed down the middle column. You've got these three tabs at the top. School staff, you can email any staff member within the school. You've got access to your classmates. You only see fellow classmates, nobody else within the school. And you can also email your classmates if you wish. You've got a contact page with your school's information. The top right-hand corner is where you would have the ability to log out, or you can view your profile. You can change your password. And you have the side navigation bar. And administration, you've got your school documents. This is where either the administrator or a teacher can upload documents specifically for you to view. You can download them. You've got your term dates and your public holidays. Under the communications tab, you've got all the birthdays of your classmates, and staff birthdays would be this button over here. That would be teachers within the school. You've got a calendar. Your calendar, you've got month view, you've got a week view and a day view. And if your teacher has uploaded lessons in the virtual classroom, you would view them on your calendar. Email archive would appear here. There's nothing in the archive at the moment. You've got a gallery. So you've got your class gallery and you've got your school gallery. Clicking on any of the albums will open that album. So for example, if you opened up the one called Zoo, you would see photos within that album. There's a messenger system which is going to be launched quite soon, which will allow you to message teachers and classmates. The reminders module lets you, the news module lets you comment and like photos that are posted. And reminders, any reminders from the school administrator or the teacher, you can view them, you can comment them and like them as well. Under the academic module, you've got your academic reports. This is where your school will upload your term report, and you can view them by clicking on the view button. You've got a homework module, the archive down the side showing you what is linked in terms of homework per subject. Clicking on the title will open up that homework. This is just a demo, obviously, but you can have a two-way conversation between your teacher and yourself. You can upload homework for the teacher to mark, and you can view it or delete it if you wish. These are your subjects. These are the subjects linked to you specifically. And then there again, you've got a summary of your homework and any lessons that are in the virtual classroom. Timetable would be your specific class timetable. This is the virtual classroom where you can preview any of your subjects. You can go into a lesson. This would be the teacher, and these would be the lesson names. And then clicking on the lesson name would open up that lesson. Like I said, this is just a test, and to see if there's anything in this one. There we go. You have your overview, your content, your tasks. Once you've finished the lesson, you can just click on mark as complete, and if you want, you can upload your completed lesson tasks over here. If there's any links, the links will be at the bottom down here. And then your last is your lesson calendar. So you can go to month view, and you can just go back in time, and then it'll show you all your lessons on the calendar. Clicking on the lesson opens it up. Once complete, and you've got a menu button that lets you go back to a tutorial or to view your virtual classroom homework. I hope that's useful. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.